The iPad shines brightly in areas like battery life and ease of use with its Magic Keyboard, making it a fantastic tool for writers and creators. However, while apps like Procreate and Notability make tasks enjoyable, severe multitasking and file management limitations may frustrate some users. Video editing can also push its boundaries, showcasing that although it's more powerful than ever, it still lacks the capabilities of a laptop when heavy software is required. Tech enthusiasts will enjoy the advancements, but some remain cautious about its versatility for demanding tasks. Smash that like button. In conclusion, the iPad stands as a remarkable device within its niche, offering exceptional battery life and a user-friendly experience, but it is essential to recognize its limitations for professional multitasking and intensive software tasks. The blend of creativity and practicality makes it a worthy consideration for many. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because we drop tech gems every single week here on TechWave 65.